We're going to swap out the battery in our Jetson e-bikes. There's little rubber plugs in all these screw holes on this casing. You remove them all. Then you remove all of the screws. There are 7 screws. You remove then the battery cowling. And you have to kind of lay it off over here because this is the charging plug. So I'm just going to leave that connected. And this is the internal electronics. It looks like next I remove these 2 screws to release this strap. Also 2 screws on the bracket at the bottom of the battery. We need to have 7 black screws and 4 chrome screws. Pro tip: they're not much metal content, probably aluminum. They don't stick in this magnet bowl. Take off this last bracket, and the battery comes free. Okay, so the battery pops out, and it will be wired to 2 plugs. One is this one, and it is wired into the other end of that. And the second one is this quick disconnect, which goes over to the charging port. So just for quick comparison, this battery is 36 volt, 6 amp hour, 216 watt hours. Our replacement is 36 volt, 280 watt hour. So this one's 288 watt hours, and the original was 216 watt hours. So the new one should have a little more capacity. So the replacement we bought off of Amazon, and it has 3 plugs, actually 2 plugs. The same main plug, the same charge port plug, but it also comes with a charge port in case whatever application you're using it for doesn't have a charge port. And this kit also came with a charger. So we're just going to plug it in, snap the brackets back in, and put this thing back together. Alright, the battery's in, secured with the straps. I rerouted this power wire under there over to the charging port. Now I'm going to reinstall the cowling. So the cowling's on. I did use a hand screwdriver to tighten all these because these are being inserted into little plastic pylons inside, and using the drill driver might break those plastic pylons. So I recommend that you do this by hand. Alright, now let's put the plugs back in, and this job is complete. And all the plugs are back in. And so we're going to put it on the charger, and then we'll test it. Okay, let's test it out. And we got full charge. Alright, let's see if it works. You got a sec?